Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're unboxing the Saka 68. This is a group buy that was plagued with a lot of delays. This ended in February of 2020 and was expected to be fulfilled by Q2 of 2021. I just received this board last month on March the 12th of 2022. So this board took 2 years and a month to come in. So let's see if it was worth the wait. I have seen from their Discord, there's been a lot of people that had problems with their board. The pink came out kind of orange as opposed to pink. I found that the Discord, if you kind of at all went against the norm and weren't big fans of CMM Studio, or kind of pointed out some of the problems with their delays and things they were saying, a lot of the people there seemed to be really CMM Studio stands, I guess, and I got pretty attacked for putting out there my opinion that I didn't think that the delays were justified and that the excuses they were making were untrue. But that's neither here nor there. Let's take a quick look over here at the product page. If you were in North America, you had to purchase this through Desk Hero. Looks like they did fulfill from within the US for US orders. I doubt that's the same case for their Canadian orders. For those of you that don't know Desk Hero, they're a Canadian vendor. Most of the rest of the world had their boards months ago. I know that the Singapore vendor had already done their board, sold their extras months before Desk Hero ever even got theirs. So I don't know what the cause behind that was. Even with sea shipping, it shouldn't have been that far behind. 2 months tops for sea shipping, and it was a good 4 to 6 months behind here in the US at least. And there are still people in the US that have not gotten their board. So this board was available in several different colors. There was a black, a green, a blue, a purple, a pink, and a white. I went with the green. This board was advertised as a as a beginner and entry level board. It's very similar in layout to the Icky 68 if you're familiar with that. Both of the group buys ran around the same time initially for round one of the Icky 68. They were anodized. They came with an aluminum plate. E-White comes with a brass plate. This board, I ordered the green plate with the solder and the green board, and it cost me $199 US. Shipping was $12.16. So my total was $211.16. So without any further ado, let's get into this box. And I just had a knife. There we go. I was like, I know I went and got one. Oh, this knife has paint on it. So I've been renovating. I just moved into a new place. I've been doing a lot of housework. So, well, the first thing I notice is this symbol here. The gold on it is already kind of wiping off. Okay, let me get that out of there before you can see my address and everything. So, as you can see, the gold there is kind of, I can get that reflection off of it. You can see the gold's kind of wearing off. Not a big deal. Packaging, I don't put that much faith in the packaging. I know a lot of people want fancy packaging. This looks to be decent packaging, especially for a budget board. Something's poking out there. I personally would rather just have a plain cardboard box if it saves me $20 on the board. But, to each their own. I know some people want fancy boxes, but for something that's just going to take up closet space, it doesn't need to be anything special as far as I'm concerned. Felt like there was like a bump right there on the top, but it doesn't look like anything was pressing through. Maybe it was just something in the manufacture process of the cardboard. We've got some foam here. Looks like our bump-ons have slid here to the top. So we've got in here, we've got a sticker. We have, can't tell, I believe, yeah, those are stabilizer pads, the little stab pads that some folks like to use. Here is our board. I also purchased a palm plate through Custom Keyboard out of Australia. I was ordering some product from them. There's a bunch of extra slots. There's like a whole other slot here that's not used. I think the packaging is a bit overkill for a budget $200 board, but like I said, a lot of people think packaging matters, so you want to appeal to that demographic. Let's take a first look at it here. Anodization looks good. I don't see anything wrong with it here. I believe there was other badges available. I guess I didn't order a special badge. Why did I think that it was gold? Maybe just certain colors came with the gold badge? Green plate solder. I want to see a picture of it. Yeah, so it shows it having a gold badge in the picture. I'm not sure why I got a green badge, unless there is a separate badge somewhere. Well, I've got everything out of there. I don't know what's up with that. I'll look into that, find out. Yeah, here's just the PCB. Okay, it looks like I ordered 2 PCBs. I don't think I ordered 2, but somehow I got 2. So, yeah, I don't believe I ordered 2, but I got 2 PCBs here. Designed by Frather. I don't know how it's pronounced. I would say that, okay, that's not a mark, that's just some debris in there, a little bit of plastic or paper or something. The anodization looks good. The matching is pretty on point, along with the plate and the top and bottom. What's that right there? A little spot right there. I don't know if you can see, if I can get the camera to catch it. There's a little light spot right there. You can kind of see it. Sorry, I've got to get the lighting dialed in here at the new place. There you go. You can kind of see there's a little white spot there where the anodization didn't take quite as well. It's not a nick, it's just a little spot in the anodization. Other than that, I don't see anything else really wrong with it. I did get the soldered PCBs because I just like soldered PCBs, but I know there was something that's I would consider quite a flaw with the hot swap PCBs, and I think others would agree with me. They put the hot swap sockets so that the holes line up right next to, for ISO support, they put it so the holes line up right next to on the stabilizer holes. It looks like they did on this one too. So the stabilizer holes overlap very closely. And for a lot of people, there was a lot of people I saw on their Discord that had gotten hot swap PCBs and were having a hard time getting their stabilizers in. Hopefully that won't be an issue. I'm probably going to be building this board on stream tonight. It'll either be this or the Aurora Icky 68. I haven't decided exactly yet which one I'm going to build tonight, but you can expect the build stream upload to come in the next couple weeks. And that's about all I've got to say for the Saka today. All in all, the group buy was a major disaster. I probably will not be buying any more boards from CMM Studio. I'm currently waiting on my Fuji 65, which is also ridiculously beyond its group buy date. I think I heard that they had just had Alex Soto's building another board, so it looks like they're running more group buys. Hopefully they'll be a little more realistic on their fulfillment dates for those. That's yet to be seen, but it's about all I've got for today's video, guys. This is the Saka 68 in green with the green alu plate, which I will not be using this plate in my final build. I'll be using palm because I like soft plates. But hey, I know this video went a little long. I want to appreciate those of you that hung out through this whole thing. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe. It means a lot to me, and I hope to see you in the next video, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your week. See ya.